Back at it again. Let's do it, guys. Here's another lot walk from Maple Motors. Let's get it. So what's up, guys? My name's Nick. I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we got about 10 new classic rides in today, and we're going to be going over those rides, telling you the year, the model, and the price. Every car here has got its own test drive, so check here on the playlist cars currently available to see the stuff that we still have in stock, or you can browse through the almost 3,000 videos and test drives that we have on here of previous inventory. We have financing, we have shipping, we have a huge bio. Go to maplemotors.com, check that out. Look at the reviews that we have also on Google. We've been around for 40 years and we are family owned. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Like I said, we'll start up in the front and walk the lot. We got the 52 Corvette 13.9 in the front right corner. Some cars that are sold, I will tell you, I'll tell you that in the video here. But again, we did post 10 new ones to that website. And we do that every Monday at 11. This one here is a 1953 210. It's sold already though. But next to that is old 56 Bel Air. This one's got a 409 in it with a 4-speed transmission at 25.9. Patina paint job. Next to that is available 1966 Chevy Caprice. We got it listed at 27.9. What about a 1956 210? 42.9 on the window. Blue and white two-tone. And then a really slick 57 Chevy Bel Air. This one's 42.9. Just got in. This is one of the new ones. I love the big fins on the 57s. And of course, that was our front row here. We try to cycle out all the cars that sell every week. We go through almost 60 to 70, sometimes cars a month. And we do sell stuff. A lot of times it'll be, I don't know, 4 or 5 cars per week that I don't ever get to show y'all. It's just a lot of heavy walk-in traffic. People come from all over the country, actually Canada too, just to come up and check out some of the cars that we got first. And you can do that at any time. We also got a lot of locals that do that. This one up here in the front, I got to do a test drive on today, which I'm going to as soon as I get back from lunch after this video. It's a 1973 Camaro. And we got it listed at 25.9. It was one of the cars that came in at last minute that we decided to post, because we are closed on Saturdays and Sundays. And then right next to that, a 1969 Firebird. This one's already on hold, but it is 25.9. Hold don't mean sold until it's paid for, guys. We have a hold policy. It usually gives people 24 hours with no down payment to get to the lot to pay us, or you got up to a week to come up with the rest of the cash after $1,000 down. It's non-refundable. That's the only way to work it, because we get a high amount of phone calls up here, and we had to figure out some kind of system instead of having all the cars on hold 24/7. Right next to that, 1979 Camaro at 16.9. '74 Scamp 14.9. Then we got the 1969 C10 pickup truck. This one's got pinstriping, set up like a Pro Street. So you've got the sunroof, bed cover, $27,900. And of course, right next to that, a 1965 step-side C10 pickup truck. This one is $27,900. We still got plenty of cars to show you here. We actually can walk the showroom this time. We filled it up over the last week or two. Got some pretty sweet rides in there. But first, I think we're gonna go to Pops' Hot Wheels room, which we have a huge Hot Wheels collection here at Maple Motors. He updates it pretty much weekly, showing all the new inventory that he has for that room. All right, so we're gonna jump over there, hit the showroom up, and I still got a whole other section of the car lot to show you. I'll be back. So this is Pops' Hot Wheels room. There's all kinds of stuff in here that he has got them in sections. So you got car culture, all that's priced as marked. Everything in here has got a tag on it. That's your red line club cars. And you also got treasure hunts sitting over here. Whole cases of treasure hunts, tons of those. He's got way more than this. This is probably only about a good 5% of his actual collection. But if you bring your kids, you got the dollar cars outside the door. You got the $3 cars here. And then you get into some more collectible stuff as these big 30 car sets. You've got everything in this case is over $100 each car. It's just very rare stuff. It is worth checking out, especially if you are into collecting Hot Wheels or any smaller cars of that sort. So come on over, check it out. Just get here, say, hey Pops, show me the Hot Wheels. Let's get back out there. Back in the showroom here, and I can show you every single car in here. I guess we'll start up, let's start in a corner here. So everything beyond these two is sold. That one's not available, it's a personal ride. But this one here, 3,000 miles on it. A 2008 SRT 8 Challenger. We don't get very many newer cars in, but I did notice here lately we've been picking up some low mileage, newer model stuff. But this one's at 34,900 with 3,000 miles. I mean, literally smells like a brand new tennis shoe inside it. This one, awesome test drive. Got the video coming out today. I was very impressed. This was so much fun. 1967 Camaro convertible, 350. You can see aluminum heads. I know that motor's built. I felt it. It feels good. The test drive went well. 39,900. The interior is nice. Just all around a beautiful car. Coming on up, we got two Mustangs in. You Ford guys have been asking, where's all the Mustangs at? Well, here's your chance. 1965 Mustang Fastbacks, and we all know the Fastbacks go for way more. Every one of them that we've gotten in here has been around this price range. This is a beautiful car too, with the black on black. Everything's done up under the hood. It's got the 5-speed transmission, and it's priced $45,900. There's a test drive video out too, going over any kind of flaws that I could find. Of course, right next to that, I have not made the video on this one yet. This is one of the today's videos. I love all of the extra little trim that they put on this car. I think it's pretty cool. Sets it apart. I've seen it on the interior too. It's got shaved door handles. They upgraded the seats, upgraded the gauges, console. But yeah, guys, this is a 1966 Ford Mustang at $26,900. Aluminum radiator. Looks like it's got power brakes. No power steering on that one though. American Racing wheels. Disc brakes in the front. And of course you got the old Studebaker. This one is a magazine car. You can check out the details on it. The test drive went well. AC 1953 Champion here. $45,900. These are just covers to protect the seat. The back seats fold down. There's subwoofers behind it. Console's custom. Dash is custom. Paint job, custom. The whole car. And one of my favorite in here, the Thunderbird. I love these cars. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This is one of them when I brought my wife up here last week. She said, "What is that? I love that car. I've seen them before. I didn't know what it was." I was like, "Well, here it is." I had to take her to lunch. You know I did. But it's beautiful inside and out. And this one's going to be $45,900. All right, let's get back out on the lot. You've also got the 1965 C10 in patina at $16,900. And of course, right next to that, 1955 3100. This one's $23,900. Okay, coming on back out to the car lot here. Last week we had this car available. It was a 67 SS Chevelle. It's already sold, but it was $38,900 with a 4-speed transmission. I did enjoy that video. I liked it because my son came out and he's been learning about cars. He said, "Oh yeah, power steering, power brakes, and it's got a big block." I was like, "Man, you're getting it now." At 10 years old, he begs me to come to work. It's crazy. I know at 10, I just wanted to stay home, ride my bike. All right, this one here, 1972 Chevelle. We got it sitting up here on the lot. 4-speed transmission, $37,900. Got dual exhaust out the back. Chrome bumpers front and rear have been replaced. It's a pretty nice car. This one here, 64 Chevelle. And this one's $25,900. Got a good paint job. Video is out. Drum brakes all the way around. Black interior. And dual exhaust. Okay. What about a 1986 El Camino? This one's $13,900. This is another one of those lower price ranges that people are asking for. They want something under 20 grand. Here it is. Good running and driving El Camino. In my favorite color. Dual exhaust. It was actually a really good test drive. It's out and about, so go check it out. This old truck here is not available, so we'll just skip on over it. This one though came out. I got the video out on it. $22,900. Got the Cutlass. What was that, a 72? They've got the hood popped on it. Must have been showing it to somebody this morning. Of course, there's 100 detailed pictures of all of our cars online. So go over there and check it out. Again, that's maplemotors.com. And people are asking all the time, "Hey, do you buy cars?" Well, of course we buy cars. How do we stay in business? But send your pictures to maplemotors@aol.com and we'll check them out. We might be interested in buying yours. So right next to that, 1970 model Impala. This one's $22,900. Then of course last week we got this one in. It was a 1967 Cutlass and it's on hold. Hold doesn't mean sold until it's paid for, but it is on hold at $19,900. And then we got this Impala in. This is another new one from the update this week. 1965 Impala SS, $27,900, tinted windows, got a nice paint job. It's got a good look. And it's in gray. A lot of people have been calling it black. It's like a grayish color. The old Cutlass sitting right next to it at $11,900. It's a 1976 model. Test drive video's out. You can check all the details out. And then this one's available. It's a 4-speed Chevelle. It's a 1969 model at $30,900. Okay, walk and talk. Make sure we didn't forget anything else on the car lot here. Again, hit subscribe, share this channel. That helps me out quite a bit. I post stuff all over the place, so you can actually see videos that are different from this one on basically any platform: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Snapchat, I kind of just do behind the scenes. You see kind of how I'm making the videos, or you see what the family's doing, just messing around at the lot, maybe stuff that I'm doing after work. But you can also join us there on Snapchat. And everything's located under Maple Motors. I'm gonna glance around one more time, just make sure I didn't miss anything up here. And again, I do appreciate you watching these videos. Look below in the playlist, that way you can see cars currently available. A little bit of about us as well. Then we got a sold bay over here as well. Just cars that have been sold. And we kind of throw them in here until the shipping truck comes and picks them up. Here lately, we've gotten lucky, and a lot of the shipping trucks are right there, ready to go, immediately picking up the rides. Some of the stuff you've seen, some of it you haven't before. And of course, you can also see all previous inventory at maplemotors.com too. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe, share the video. I'm about to go drop this ski in the lake and sell it to somebody real quick. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next video. I'm also going to be doing some more test drives today when I get back. Later, guys.